everyone, we are back with another yearly favorites video. This time we are going to talk about the top 10 from the Derma Co. There are so many products which I have tried last year and it's very difficult to choose 5 out of them. We are going to do top 10 for the year. The very first best of the year is the Urea cream. I absolutely love their Urea cream because when you talk about the dry feet, dry hand, you need to look for the ingredient which will mildly exfoliate your skin and protect your skin barrier and keep it well moisturized. So in this formula we have 4% of urea, we got lactic acid which will mildly exfoliate, and we got ceramide complex which will keep your skin protected. Not at all a heavy texture, it's very light yet very effective. I have shown a before and after with this cream in this particular video, do check it out. Second best of the year is this Snail Peptide 96 hydrating serum. This got snail mucin, niacinamide and peptides. You don't have to go for a separate niacinamide based serum or a separate peptide based serum. You get all in one. Texture is really nice, has that slimy snail mucin wala jo texture hai wahi hai, yet it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel very chipchipa on the face and it's easily layerable and perfect even if you are a acne or a comedone prone people. Beautiful formulation. Then they have come up with a propylene glycol moisturizer which got 5% of propylene glycol, 1% of hyaluronic acid and ceramide complex. Safest and a better alternate to Emulsion cream because Emulsion cream का अगर आपने मेरा review देखा है, you guys know कि उसमें काफी सारे fishy ingredients थे, toluene and पता नहीं क्या क्या उसमें डाला हुआ था. So if you want the best moisturizer in affordable range which is way better than your Emulsion cream, then try this 5% propylene glycol moisturizer from the Derma Co. because this got better ingredients and better texture. Has a very nice light texture which suits all skin types. After that they have come up with their skin renew range with the collaboration with the Dr. V, जिसमें Dr. V ने इनकी ये range formulate करी है, and out of all of them the one which I absolutely love and purchased it again is this Skin Renew Peptide Anti-Pollution Face Wash. You guys know this was constant last year और मैंने बहुत बार इसको recommend किया है in many of my video because the formulation is very gentle. It got all the right ingredients starting from the peptides, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid, makes it the best for super sensitive and acne prone skin. Secondly, this got really nice thick gel texture जिसका बहुत थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी की आपको नीड होती है. It foams up really well and gives you a very good clean feel without stripping your natural oils of the skin. Perfect for all skin types. Then they have come up with a powerful combination of ingredients which will tackle your pigmentation and dark spots, which was their Tranxelic Pigmentation Correcting Serum. Now this got 3% of tranexamic acid and 10% of azelaic acid. Not just these two ingredients, this also include niacinamide and alpha-arbutin. All of these ingredients collectively work on your dark spots and pigmentation. I have shared my live experience with this product. If you have missed it, do check it out from the I button. Has a very nice light gel texture. काफी जैसे spread हो जाता है, sink instantly, doesn't feel heavy and sticky. Suitable for all skin types. After that, they have come up with a hair serum and I have absolutely love it. This one is their peptide and stem cell hair growth serum. This particular one got 20% of hair growth promoting ingredients. This got 3% of copper peptide, 9% of collagen analoop, 0.7% of stem cell, 3% of anagen and 1% of redensil. All these ingredients will collectively help to keep your scalp healthy and promote hair growth. Now one thing which I have absolutely love about this serum is that it's not at all a thick and a heavy and oily serum. Must say that this is the lightest hair serum I have tried so far. Beautiful for oily scalp and great for your hair growth. And then they have come up with this amazing sunscreen spray similar to this formulation, which is my holy grail. You guys know how much I love this HA sunscreen, and I have been raving about this one since I think last 3 years, और I think जब से ये launch हुई है तब से, and now even they have come with this 80 gram का bigger packaging. This is an amazing, absolute favorite sunscreen. This serves the purpose of a base layer. Now if you want to reapply your sunscreen throughout your days, or if you want to reapply your sunscreen over makeup, then this one is perfect while you're traveling or while you're in an office or in a college. Just keep it in your bag and just shake it and just spray it and you're good to go. Fragrance free watery formula which doesn't feel heavy and cakey on the face and doesn't leave a white cast. आप easily इसको spray कर सकते हो, ये कोई भी ऐसे white spots आपके face पे नहीं छोड़ता है, and it really protect your skin well, because मैंने इसको ट्रैवलिंग के टाइम पे टेस्ट किया है ऑन माई हैंड एंड दिस वर्क्स अमेजिंगली. यू गाइज नो दैट माई स्किन इज वेरी वेरी सेंसिटिव, और अगर ये धूप के एक्सपोजर में आ जाता है तो मुझे यहाँ छोटे छोटे दाने होने शुरू हो जाते हैं और फिर वो इचीनेस होनी शुरू हो जाती है. बट दिस सनस्क्रीन प्रोटेक्ट्स माई स्किन perfectly while I'm traveling. Beautiful formulation. And recently they have come up with a range of moisturizer with niacinamide and ceramide. Out of those three, this one is perfect for my skin. This is 5% niacinamide mattifying moisturizer, and this one is for oily and acne prone skin, because this got zinc PCA, which is the anti-inflammatory, helps to control your acne, got panthenol and allantoin, which are soothing and calming on the skin. On the top, the texture of this one is really nice. It got a light gel creme texture, really light, doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel sticky on the face. Beautiful moisturizer. Next one is the newest launch and my recent obsession. This is 1% of vitamin C brightening lip balm. This got SPF of 50, a lot of moisturizing oils and butter, got ceramide, will protect your skin, and of course vitamin C. On the top, this one is fragrance free. Though अब सारे प्रोडक्ट डर्माको के फ्रेग्रेंस फ्री हैं, बट समटाइम्स यू कैन स्मेल समथिंग, यू नो, जब वो फॉर्मुलेशन का स्मेल होता है वो कई बार आपको स्मेल आता है जो इनके कोजिक एसिड वाले वेरिएंट से आता है, जो इसके साथ नहीं है. दैट्स वाई आई वॉज वेरी कंफर्टेबल यूजिंग दिस वन. And on the top, this one is very moisturizing. This stays on your lip for long hours. ऐसा नहीं है कि आधे घंटे के बाद आपको लग रहा है कि आपको दोबारा रीअप्लाई करना है. जब तक आप कुछ खाते पीते नहीं हो तब तक ये आपके लिप्स के ऊपर रहता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि थोड़ी देर के बाद आपको ड्राइनेस होनी शुरू हो जाएगी. ब्यूटीफुल अफोर्डेबल इंडियन लिप बाम, highly recommended. Last but not the least, it's not a new launch, it's not a new product, and it's not a discovery of 2024. I have discovered these I think in 2022, and since then I think this one is constant in my vanity. I always keep backups, like हमेशा जब नायका की सेल आई है मैंने तब ये ऑर्डर करे हैं. And if you guys know me, you know ये क्या है. These are microtip salicylic acid pimple patches. I can't stop recommending these pimple patches because in last 3 years मैंने और बहुत सारे different brands के भी pimple patches try करके देखे हैं, be it Cosrx और everything, उनके सारे variants try करके देखे हैं, but none of them come close to these. I think these are the best out there in the market. One, because they stick so well. ये टच से मस नहीं होते हैं. जब तक आप खुद इनको पील नहीं करोगे ना, आप पूरा दिन, आई रिमेंबर 2022 में वी वेंट टू गोवा, और मॉर्निंग में मैं पिंपल पैच लगा के गई थी और रात तक गोवा पहुंचने तक वो पिंपल पैच वहीं था. पूरा दिन मैंने ट्रैवल किया था, स्टिल दैट वाज इंटैक्ट. और सेकंड थिंग इसकी जो बेस्ट है इज दैट कि जब इसको अप्लाई करते हो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जब आप उसको पील करोगे तो सारा जो पिंपल का गंक है वो बाहर निकल जाता है. ये मैंने बहुत बार आपको दिखाया है. आई थिंक आई डोंट नीड टू टॉक मच अबाउट दिस पिंपल पैचेस. आई नो दे आर लिटिल बिट एक्सपेंसिव, बट ट्रस्ट मी दे आर वर्थ इट. बिकॉज जब आपका पिंपल बन गया है उसको दबा के स्क्वीज करके निकालने से बेटर है यूज दिस. ये आराम से इस गंक को निकाल देगा एंड विद इन 2 to 3 days आपका जो मार्क्स है वो गायब हो जाता है. अदरवाइज अगर आप उसको पिक कर देते हो तो वहां पे बहुत गंदा मार्क बन जाता है जिसको जाने में कम से कम 6-7 महीने और कई बार साल भी लग जाता है. ऑलवेज यूज अ पिंपल पैच ऑन योर एक्टिव एक्ने. दोज वर माई टॉप फेवरेट्स फॉर द लास्ट ईयर. नाउ लेट्स होप कि इस साल हमें और अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे फ्रॉम द डर्माको. एंड इफ यू वांट टू गेट एनी ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, आई हैव अ कोड फॉर यू विच इज भावना 2025 फॉर दिस 2025. for extra 20% off. I have provided the link in the description. Do check it out and make sure you purchase it from their site, because whenever you do so, you will help them in their Young Scientist initiative along with the Bhumi, where they educate underprivileged children, and till now they have educated more than 25,000 students across nation. So help them in their mission as well. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so you never miss any of our videos. I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.